The true reason behind the saga and the slamming of Chizzy Alichi by her colleague Crystal Okoye is finally out, my people. The matter get as it dey because this na Nollywood saga wey don dey happen for weeks now, and a lot of people dey chook their mouth put inside. Even people wey don come out come say, the sky is large enough to accommodate all of us, my people. But before we wan talk inside the matter, you're welcome to this YouTube channel, Mina KONGOSSA TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification. May God bless you as you do so. My people, without wasting time, make me dive inside the matter. This saga wey don dey go on now, so my people, between Crystal Okoye and Chizzy Alichi. Na saga wey don make a lot of people don dey think two kind sides about our actress Chizzy Alichi, because when this Crystal Okoye become out come cry, my people, it came as a surprise to a lot of people. Like, how can Chizzy do this kind of thing? Una sabi say people dey, so especially celebrity, they get their images wey they don create, my people. The results come out. Me go leave video where their own colleague come out come tell us. After we una listen to the video, my people, I go come again, come carry our mouth take put inside. Make we listen.
Okay, I'm making this video in respect to Crystal Okoye calling Chizzy out for getting her off a job. Now, I just want to say this, and I want to say it as quick and truthful as possible. The little interrogation and investigation I did, I realized that Crystal made that accusation based on emotions. There's no evidence. There's no proof that Chizzy did that she accused her of, and that's really bad. So I think Crystal should just do a direct video apologizing to Chizzy Alichi for such accusations. I mean, when you go out calling people and accusing them of something, you should be sure they did it. That's a huge accusation, trust me, and that's, for me, defamation. So when I did my video, I ascertained that if Chizzy did it, it was really bad. And because I know a lot of artists do it, they go out of their way, do everything in their possible best to get somebody they don't like out of the way, as long as it favors them, as long as the executive producer or the producer is their friends. They do it because they probably don't like the person, or they probably feel that person is competition. But in this case, there is no evidence. So I think what Crystal should do right about now, which I told her, if she searches her conscience and realizes that this could be false, she has to put out a call to Chizzy and also do a video publicly apologizing. AGN has not, I don't think AGN is ready to start banning someone for something that has come on public domain. I mean, if AGN wanted to get involved, it should have been their table first before the public domain. So I don't think AGN is after anybody. What could be after anybody right now is conscience, and that is why I'm doing this video. And I'm also apologizing if there's any way my video send out the wrong notion. I am so sorry to Chizzy. I am so sorry to everyone who felt the video was inappropriate. Now, I need to say this. The message was to make sure that the people who do this understand the consequences, you know. So, and that we learn to encourage each other. I still stand on that notion. I still posit that we don't have any reason to be competitive. I mean, the sky is so big enough for all of us. We can actually love each other genuinely without having to compete with each other. So that's it. I just thought I should make this video to, you know, I can't, it's nothing to be prideful about.
My people, una don hear by una sef how their fellow colleague don come out come talk the reason behind the saga. She even come say this Crystal Okoye wey una dey see for una screen no get any proof over the allegations wey she call Chizzy Alichi. It's like they just get their one kind emotional problem, my people. She just decide to bring her out come call Chizzy Alichi, and e forget say dis na defamation of character because you no get proof, na false allegations because you no get proof. And if true Chizzy Alichi wan carry dis matter go court, she Crystal Okoye go carry the matter for her head. She suppose carry fine add on top. Their colleague Chioma still carry her mouth talk say this AGM wey Crystal Okoye come out come call am so this one no be matter about AGM, say na her conscience dey take dey judge her. Say if she don realize say wetin she do before e no work like that, make she publicly come out come talk say I am sorry about the allegations wey I talk about you. Those allegations wey me levy for your head, I take dey sorry, make you forgive me, e no go happen again. I take act na out of emotions, my people. But if true na wetin Chizzy take do, na im be say even that one sef no good because we no know where this Crystal Okoye take her informations from. But according to their colleague, there is no founded solution, there is no founded proof, there is nothing. Now out of emotion. So now sabi say that moment where you just received the shock, a lot of things they play inside your head. It's like upon that moment where she just receive them, she just can look inside the set, she can look for the acting group. She say, who I take get differences with, my people. Now she can't realize say na Chizzy Alichi she gets differences with, or she come get some kind emotional wahala with, my people. Now so she just automatically consider say if she lose her role now because say Chizzy Alichi take do and make she lose her role. She even come out come say say Chizzy Alichi don move food from her mouth, so say this one no good. But me Chizzy Alichi know say if so her soup done today, e no mean say na only her soup go take done, because another day go come wey another body soup to go take done. A lot of people because say this one no be good thing now, say Nollywood take big and the sky sef big at on top. A lot of people come dey say if truly na wait this way it take happen, Crystal Okoye no be supposed carry the matter come public. She was supposed to call anybody where it's the head of Nollywood take arrange the matter under my people, but no before come publicly come give her out and say because she don't come publicly come call Chizzy Alichi out, she supposed publicly come to come apologize. Make we know say she was wrong, my people. I don't know what you think about the video, but me self now wetin I think, because for publicly come out come call person name, now be say if you want apologize you go still publicly come out come apologize. My people, I beg make una write for comment section what you think about this video, because we dey round up the video. But before I go, if you dey up to now you never subscribe, please subscribe to this channel and support me. Do not forget to turn on your post notification. I will see you on my next video, and may God continue to bless you as you do so.